Okay, so let's be honest. If you live in a house long enough, your walls are going to end up getting messed up, whether you have kids or not. Paint gets pulled off, furniture bumps into things, tape takes half the wall with it, and suddenly you've got these little ugly spots you can't stop staring at. Today I'm using the drywall repair kit to fix two small areas where the paint has peeled off, and I wanted to see if it actually makes it easy. So first, I love that this is an all-in-one kit, okay? You get everything inside of it. The wall repair putty, the wall patches, putty knife, scrapers, sanding sponge, and gloves. That is genius to me. So you don't have to run to the store or dig through drawers looking for these essentials because they all come in the kit. These aren't huge holes, just spots where paint peeled off and left the rough patches, so once you notice them, they're all you see. It's time to fix them. Go ahead and pull out a little bit of the repair putty and spread it over each spot with the putty knife. It goes on really smooth and it's thick enough to fill in the damaged area without dripping. That is what makes this set stand out in my mind different from other drywall patches. I worked it in and leveled it with the wall. No mess, no crumbling, no stress. After letting it dry for a bit, I used the sanding sponge to lightly smooth it out. This only took a minute and it does make a huge difference because then it's going to blend right in. Then all you have to do is just do a little touch-up paint and you won't even be able to tell that these spots were even here. After I used this little scraper here that the kit came with, I mean literally sanding was super easy and it came out really super smooth. So I don't have to worry about it. I can literally go grab my touch-up paint, touch up these areas, and these walls will look brand new again. You won't even be able to tell that the paint was missing on them. We were sent this product to test out, and after using it on these two spots, I would recommend this product to anyone.